Hey everybody, my name is Ankit Singh, student of BE Computer Science and Engineering, and today we are going to discuss about the Django operators. So guys, actually Django is the popular Python web framework which is often used to develop the complex websites, and it contains the feature of developing a front end, back end, and the database storage. So, in any programming languages and the frameworks, we are going to do some operations, some logical operations or mathematical operations. There we need operators. So, here also in Django, we are getting some operators. So, there a wide range of powerful operators are used by the developers to perform complex data manipulations and comparisons between the web applications. In this presentation, we are going to see this mainly four operators, which is in, not in, and is, not is. And we will see it with the use of examples. So first is the in operator. The in operator is used in checking the values which are present in the sequence, such as list, tuples, and the sets. And its advantage is the efficient membership test. The in operator allows you to quickly determine if an item is a part of a collection, making it a valuable tool to building the complex database queries. And one of the main feature of this is it is using very flexible applications. So it's the example of in operator, and where we are using a fruit variable which is storing a list of apple, banana, and a cherry. So if we are using some condition, if that is a the particular item is encountered by the iterator, so there it is going to print that banana is in the list, else it's going to print that it is not present in the list. So the output of this code is the particular fruit is present in that list, and the explanation is the in operator is used to check if the value of banana is present in the fruit list or not. Since in that list it is present, so it is gonna satisfy the if condition, and it is gonna print the fruit is present in that list. The not in. The not in operator is often used to print, print just the values which are not present in that list. Just what the in operator does, it is just the opposite. So the negative membership test. The not in operator allows you to determine if an item is not the part of the collection, which can be useful to building the complex database queries and validating the user inputs and all. So it is also known as the complementary of the in. So as we all know that complementary means just opposite of that particular whose complementary we are taking. So here's the example of not in. The color here is given the list which stores the different colors, red, green, and blue. So if yellow is not present, and we can see that yellow is not present in that list, so the output will be yellow is not present. And here's the same explanation has been given. So the is operator. The is operator is used to check if two objects are having the same object in the memory, not just they have the same values. So it is often used for the identity comparisons. The is operator is useful for the comparing the identity of the objects, which can be important for the certain Django use cases such as the caching and the session management. So there are the certain difference between the double equals to and the is operator, which is given in the below example. So here's the example of the is operator. So there's given a two lists where is A, B, and C. The A list contains 1, 2, and 3, and the B contains the same value, and C contains the value of list of A. So if A is B means just some kind of comparisons. If both are same, then A and B are the same operator. Else A and B are the different kinds of object. So again, we are going to compare A with C. So here we can see that if A is C, then A and C are same objects. Else A and C are not the same objects. Therefore, we can see the example as and the output is given as A and B are not same objects. The objects are not same, though the value of both the lists are same, but objects are not same. But in the third example, like A and C, so since C contains the value of A, and these become the same objects itself. So A and C are the same objects. So here the explanation has been given for the same. So here's the is not operator. So again, as we seen in the previous slide, the in and not in, the this is not operator is just a complementary of the is operator. So the is operator is the just opposite of the is operator, and it is used to check if two objects are not same objects in the object memory. And it's a negative identity comparison, as I told you. The not is not operator allows you the quick determination if two objects are not same, and it is used for the building the complex data models or managing the object state in the Django applications. And and the last point is the same, that it's a complementary of the is. So here's another example of is not operator. So in the previous example, we can say that we have seen this same thing, but just here also the same. A is containing the list which is containing 1, 2, 3, and B is containing the same value, though the objects are not same, and C is containing the object which is same. So here the slide changes. If A is not B, then A and B are not same objects, else A and B are the same objects. And if A is not C, then the vice versa, which is printed. So the output here is same, but we can see the meanings like in the previous example and this example, this both are different itself, and the same example has been explained in the. So it helps us to develop the same. So here's the conclusion and the key takeaway. The key takeaway is in not in and is and not is operators are the very powerful tools which should be present in the Django's toolkit to help the developers for the efficient data manipulation. And it is a versatile application management. And the mastering these kinds of operator usage can often help us to develop the complex websites which holds a large amount of data. And since it is very complex, so we can handle it very easily using these operators. So thank you guys. We are going to meet you in next video.